So he just wanted to say that it was so dark because of the storm that nothing was even visible to him. Okay, everything, nothing was visible outside the plane, and he started losing control of the aeroplane. And he just at that time he just focused on the compass, and the compass and other instrument has also stopped working because of the bad weather. And at the certain point he just became very helpless. Okay, he decided to go back to Paris, but he also wanted to get home. Okay, so he took the risk and flew into the storm. He couldn't see anything outside his aeroplane because nothing was visible, everything was black. And the old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. He looked at the compass and it was gone. And he tried to contact to Paris control, but he couldn't contact it. And in that bad phase, he was lost in the storm and he couldn't able to manage. And he just means वो इतना परेशान हो गया था कि he won't be understand कि what to do and what not to do, and he became helpless. Paris control, Paris control. Can you hear me? There was no answer. The radio was dead too. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. I was lost in the storm, then in the black clouds quite near me. I saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wing, but I could see it flying next to me through the storm. I could see the pilot face turned towards me. I was very glad to see another person. He lifted one hand and waved. Follow me, he was saying. Follow me. He knows that I am lost. I thought he was trying to help me. Then what had happened? Then in the black clouds he saw another aeroplane. So what he decided to call to Paris control. So he tried calling the Paris control agency who had helped him earlier but couldn't contact because of the weather. So in the midst of nowhere, when everything failed, he saw a ray of hope. What was the ray of hope? He saw another airplane. Okay, उसने एक और airplane देखा उसी storm में, and he was glad to see that another person. Okay, in that उसने उस mist में जो है एक दूसरा एरोप्लेन देखा, और it had no lights on its wing. उसके wings पे कोई भी light नहीं थी. He could see it flying next to him in the storm, and he was glad to see another person. Okay, and he was saying to follow him. The person was calling him to follow. ओके, वो उसको बोल रहा था कि तुम मुझे फॉलो करो. सो हेयर द ऑथर थॉट कि वो उसकी हेल्प करना चाहता है. सो ही फॉलोड हिम. ही फ्लू फॉर हाफ एन आवर. He had fuel only to last for 5 or 10 minutes, and then he began to feel frightened. Then he started to go down. Okay, but then he started to go down, and I followed through the storm. Suddenly I came out of the cloud and saw 2 long straight lines of the light in front of me. It was a runway, an airport. I was safe. I turned to look for my friend in the black aeroplane, but the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane was gone. I could not see it anywhere. Runway, a strip of hard ground along which aircraft takes off and land. ठीक है, that is known as runway. I hope everyone knows this is the bookish language of runway. So क्या होता है बाद में, ही मतलब वो जो है वो बहुत सेफली उसको ले आता है. इट वॉज देन ही स्टार्टेड कमिंग आउट ऑफ द स्टॉर्म एंड कुड सी दी रनवे टू लैंड हिज प्लेन सेफली. एंड व्हेन ही टर्न टू थैंक द अदर पायलट ही रियलाइज दैट द प्लेन दैट हेल्प्ड हिम हैड डिसअपियर्ड एज सून एज ही केम आउट ऑफ द स्टॉर्म. ठीक है, जब उसने उसको थैंक्स करने के लिए जब उसने उसको देखा तो उसने रियलाइज़ किया कि वहाँ पे वो प्लेन ही नहीं है. व्हेन ही टर्न टू थैंक द अदर पायलट ही सडनली रियलाइज दैट द प्लेन दैट हेल्प्ड हिम हैड इमीडिएटली डिसअपियर्ड एज सून एज ही केम आउट ऑफ द स्टॉर्म. I landed and I was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. I went and asked a woman in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I want to say thank you. She looked at me very strangely and then laughed. Another airplane? Up there in the storm? No other aeroplane. Were flying, no other aeroplane were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. So, who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tank? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights?